In the meantime, Member of Parliament for Portland West, Darrell Vaz, told the Jamaica Labour Party JLP meeting in St. James on Sunday that the NIDS is a measure designed to make them safer. He also castigated the legal challenge to NIDS. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has more in this Primetime News report.
You know, so I not come here for pit. I not come here for powder.
And with that, the Portland Eastern Member of Parliament, Darrell Vaz, rebuked the People's National Party, PNP, for its challenge to the National Identification System, NIDS.
And all the government of Jamaica is trying to do under Andronis is trying to account for all the people that make up the population and give them the opportunity to interact with government in the easiest possible way. But no, they are prepared to take the government to court to try and prove a point, nothing more than bad mind.
Mr. Vaz told JLP supporters the NIDS will make their lives better, particularly in crime-hit places such as St. James. He said with NIDS, members of the security forces operating in the states of emergency would be able to easily identify lawful residents from criminals. And speaking of states of emergency, Mr. Vaz took issue with the PNP senator's stance against extending the security measure in St. James in the upper house on Friday.
KD Knight, abstain. The big wagga wagga one Lambert Brown, him couldn't make up for his mind. Him said, him not really sure. Valrenita Robertson, the newest PNP candidate, who is a Queen's Counsel, she raised issues with it just over the weekend. So that is 2 Queen's Counsel and Wagga Wagga Lambert Brown. Hear me now. Take sleep and mark that.
Mr. Vaz said he expects the PNP to try and block any further extension. He did not miss the chance to also address a recent social media post from his Portland Eastern challenger, attorney at law Valrenita Robertson.
The latest candidate that has been named to represent the PNP, who I describe as a relic of the 70s, I am asking and calling for the police to speak to the issue of the accusation of political violence in West Portland and state the facts in relation to all of the cases that have been brought forward. Because to me, it's a dark day, and we are moving away from that type of politics.
He was speaking at a Jamaica Labour Party conference in East Central St. James on Sunday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.